Hi guys, and today I'm not going to be doing gaming like I was thinking of doing. Today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to use the website that I'm currently using to make videos. So first off, it's called screencast-o-matic. It's a free recording program. There's all this information down here. And what you're gonna want to do is go to the login or sign up. So you go to that you type all the stuff in. And then you get to this. Yeah, please ignore this. I might end up blurring it out if possible. So you want to click My Videos, and then you'll get to this. What you do is press Stop Recorded, but I don't want to do that because that will end the video. So definitely you don't want to do that. And if you need more information, you can go to the tutorials section right up here. And then after you're done with the video process, which I'm in right now, you'll be greeted by the video editor. But for this, I can't exactly show you. But I might make a second video showing you a better format of it. But basically, all that is for is like picking certain snippets to show the video and doing a bunch of selection. And by the way, better promotion for another channel called KB and Isaac Studios. Check that out. It has a bit more content than this. And if you like Roblox, you'll like it even more. Make sure to like and subscribe both channels and check out some of the other content. And I can't really think of any other ideas because I don't script these videos. So yeah. I think I'm gonna end this video here. So give me 1 second to Finish.